I'm John Michaelson, the owner of Michaelson Law, and I've been an attorney in Nevada for 25 years. We get a lot of questions about beneficiary designations and joint tenancy and how that fits in with estate planning. I'm here to tell you both of those can be problematic. So the most common thing is that nothing's done. For example, you have a grandpa, he has some accounts and a property or two, and he just doesn't have any estate planning. There's no beneficiaries designated, nothing. If grandpa has a stroke and becomes incapacitated, or he dies, how do we access that property? And a lot of times you end up having to go to court. It's very expensive. So some people put joint owners on it. So that would be, for example, grandpa picks one of his grandsons and says, oh, I'm putting my grandson on as a joint owner on all my property. The problem with that is, what if the grandson gets a divorce? What if he gets sued? What if he's dishonest? What if he doesn't share the property like grandpa thought when grandpa dies? So we've seen all that. Joint tenancy can be a problem. It can sometimes work, but it can be a problem a lot of times. Another thing is beneficiary designations, where grandpa says, well, when I die, I put my grandson as beneficiary on everything. That can avoid probate, but what happens if grandpa doesn't die? What if he just becomes incapacitated? So then the problem is, nobody can access grandpa's property during life. So the way you fix all this, grandpa should put his assets in a living trust. And if he does that, he can designate the grandson as a trustee, not an owner. And what that means is grandsons' divorces, lawsuits, and so forth won't affect the inheritance. And it also makes sure that the grandson legally, it's more sure that he's going to share the property the way he's supposed to. So hopefully that gives some information about joint tenancy and beneficiary designations. They're kind of small band-aids, but they really don't fix the problem, and in many cases they cause a lot of problems. So if there's anything we can help you with, please reach out and contact us. Otherwise, if the video is helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.